Hey guys, Nevada Conley here. Today we're going to be talking about ClickFunnels and how to use ClickFunnels to build a funnel for your affiliate marketing business. So stay tuned because I am going to take you inside my ClickFunnels account and actually build a funnel for you live so you can kind of see how to do it and where you put links and all that kind of stuff. So before we get started, I just want to say thanks for watching and just make sure you hit that like button, the subscribe button, and that bell notification, okay? So let's go ahead and head over to the computer. Okay, guys, so here we are. We are in my ClickFunnels account. Now, of course, to use ClickFunnels, you have to have a ClickFunnels account. So if you would like to sign up for ClickFunnels, I will put a link in the description below for a 14-day free trial. So that's kind of cool. You can try it for 14 days for free. So once you get your account and you get all logged in, ClickFunnels makes it super easy to build funnels. But really quick, so if you guys want a more kind of in detail description of what affiliate marketing is, I will click on the card just right above us here, and you can watch my video on affiliate marketing for beginners. But just a quick overview, affiliate marketing, basically we are just trying to get traffic to this funnel that I am going to show you how to build right now. To get market for a product or a service that you are that you're marketing for. So you're bringing traffic to this funnel, and then basically you're giving them something free in exchange for their email address, and then you get to collect that email address, and then it sends them on to the next page, which is like a thank you page or a bridge page. And then that bridge page kind of sets them up or warms them up to hear what the actual offer is. And so that's what I'm going to be showing you here, is how to build that funnel to go from the lead capture page to the thank you bridge page and then on to the offer. So the cool thing about affiliate marketing though is that once you capture that email, you get to follow up with them, because a very small percentage of people actually buy on that front end. It's only like 1 to 3% typically. And so when you capture their email address, then that goes to your email autoresponder, and then you get to follow up with them. And then, as those good affiliate marketers say, the fortune is in the follow-up. So then you get to follow up with them and continue to warm them up until, they really feel like they can trust you, and then they buy from you. So, and then you make a commission off of whatever it is that they're buying. And so, okay, so let's get to the funnel here. So you just click on build a funnel. And then it brings you to kind of like this cookbook type of thing. So you can build funnels for all sorts of things. If you are hosting a webinar, you can do that here. If you want to sell products, you can build a funnel like this, but we are trying to collect emails. So we're going to choose that one, and then we can just name it. You're going to name it whatever it is that you are, whatever your product is that you're trying to sell or, market for, you can name it per that. And then it's going to take us to where we get to pick the, so these are all free and they're all pre-made, which is pretty cool. So this is all just drag and drop stuff. So I have an ebook that I can show you guys how you basically are just, you're basically saying, here, free ebook, give me your email address and I will send you this free ebook. And then you send them the ebook, you get your email address. So let's do this one. And I'll show you how we go about kind of editing this page. So once it loads, so then we're going to hit edit page. It's loading. Okay, so this is basically kind of the basics here. So we can kind of go through and delete a bunch of this stuff. We'll delete this. We'll delete that. Perfect. Let's see. Let's delete. No, we want this. That's okay. We can leave it. Okay. So then for the picture, as soon as you click on things, it pulls it up. So like we can click here and change out the picture. So this is actually so the offer that I like to promote is Entre Institute. So this Millionaire Shortcut book is actually a book that he that Jeff Lerner gives to you as your, you know, as your lead magnet capture. So he says, here, take this book and give it away. And so this is what everybody is, this is what they are all getting for free. So then they give me their email address and I send them the link to this Millionaire Shortcut so they can download it. And let's see, we can just delete this. That's not even in English. So delete that. And then if we want to change the button, you just click on this button and you say set action. And we want this to submit the order. Nope, we want it to open the pop-up. This is a pop-up one. So do that, and then you can change whatever the button says. So you could say click here for instant access, or click here now. So you can change that. And you can go through and change a whole bunch of things here, but for now, just for this, we'll leave it. And then we click save. And so then you can change what this says. So instead of free online training, you can say free ebook on how to on the fastest way to become, wow, my spelling, to become a millionaire. And then you can even just say, click below now. And I mean, that's pretty much it. I would probably, like, yeah, we could just delete all of this stuff here. Delete. And we'll delete this. The more simple, the better on a lot of this stuff. So we're just going to delete everything. Bear with me here. Yeah. And that's pretty much it. Okay, and so then for the pop-up, so then it says show pop-up. So then this is where, so where can I send your free ebook? Please enter your email address below to get instant access to the free book. And then this is where they put their email address in there. Yes, give me the free, and we want to click on this button so that we can change it. Or let's go to edit settings, and then we can click on the button and set the action. You want this to submit the order, so that's perfect. And then we can change this wording here. Yes, give me the free ebook. Yeah, pretty cool. So then they put their email address in there, and you do just want to make sure that email address is required, so they can't even change it. And you could add another one. You could add another box in here if you wanted to put their name in here too, so you can get their name. But then the name, I always make sure their name's not required, just in case they don't want to put their name in there. You can still collect the email address, and that's fine. So pop-up settings. So then we save that. And so, I mean, obviously you could do more with this page, you know, if you wanted. You can change the colors of everything and you could add more to it if you wanted, but this is just kind of the basics. And then for your email autoresponder, you can see this is not connected, but this is where you would connect your email autoresponder. So when they put their email in there, it goes to your email autoresponder. So I won't do that for now, but then we go down to the thank you page. And the thank you page is very similar. You just get to pick from one of these. And let's see if we can find one that has a video on it. Videos tend to be the best. Let's see, thank you. Yeah, so videos tend to be the best, have the best conversion rates. So let's select this template. And the video, you know, is basically just saying, make sure you check your email for, you know, your free ebook. And, but let me tell you about this video I want you to watch, you know, and you basically tell them why what you're offering is going to solve their problems and how great it is, and tell them to click the button below to watch that video. So then hopefully they click that button and go watch the video. So then we don't want to say, thank you, your order is complete. So we can delete this, and actually let's delete all this stuff too. Delete, delete, delete. So we don't need another funnel on there. And we can even delete this part. Okay. And then if you want to leave that in there, you can. I would just say, nope. So I would just say like something like, stop, watch the video below. And then in here we could say, oh, come on now. Delete this and just say, like, make sure to check your email for the free ebook. For the make sure to check your email for the free ebook from Nevada Conley. But watch the video below for, let's see, watch the video below to learn how to make money online. And then, so let's see, we can get rid of all this too. And so then your video would go here. So again, you can click on this guy, and yeah, you can, I mean, any of these things, it's typically, I just upload them to YouTube, and then you can just put your YouTube URL in there, and that gets your YouTube going. And then the same thing here for the button. So you just set action and you want to go to the website URL. So this would be your like affiliate link.com, and opens in the same window. And then back. Perfect. Oh, and you can, instead of saying get started, log in here, you can say something like watch now or watch video now. Perfect. And so then that's pretty much it. Just hit save. And then when we go back out, we can see how this worked for us. So then you just go back to the opt-in page, and you can copy and paste that, and let's see how we do. Perfect. Free ebook, fastest way to become a millionaire. Click below now. And so then you can click here, put in an email address, give me the free ebook. And there it is. And then the video would pop up. Oh, we didn't change it. So that's the video that they already had in there. And then, so this would be like your, you know, here's your ebook, it's on its way. Click watch now. And then, yeah, we didn't actually put an affiliate link in there, but yeah, so that's basically how you do it. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And so guys, I learned all of this actually through, so this Millionaire Shortcut, this is that Entre and the Entre blueprint. And so if you guys are interested in learning even more ways how to make money online, they give you 3 different business models to choose from. So I'll put the link down below, nevadaconley.com, check that out. And if you're interested in that, and then, you know, make sure again, you click that like button, subscribe button, and that bell notification. Okay, thanks guys. We'll see you in the next one.